In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Squarespace form submissions to Slack automatically. First, open your Squarespace site and confirm that your form is working properly. Navigate to the page with your form, switch to preview or visit the live page, and submit a quick test entry with sample information. Check that the form collects the fields you expect, like name, email, and message, and that it saves or emails submissions as configured. This quick check saves time later by making sure the source of your automation is clean and consistent. Next, open your automation tool of choice and create a new workflow. Most tools will prompt you for a trigger and an action. You'll start by setting the trigger to listen for new form submissions from Squarespace. If your tool offers a built-in Squarespace form submission trigger, select it and connect your site. You may need to log in, grant permission, and choose the specific site and form. If multiple forms exist, pick the one you just tested so the sample data can be pulled in for mapping. Now choose Slack as the action app. Select the action that posts a message to a channel. Connect your Slack workspace by signing in and authorizing the app. If your organization uses multiple workspaces, double check you're connecting the correct one and confirm that the app has permission to post in the channels you plan to use. With both connections in place, set the Slack channel where you want new form submissions to appear. Public channels work well for team visibility, while private channels keep sensitive inquiries restricted. Next, design the message format. Include clear labels and map each form field into the message so it's easy to scan. For example, add the submitter's name, email, and message content on separate lines, and consider a short header like new website inquiry. If your tool supports it, you can add emojis or lightweight formatting to make important details stand out, but keep it readable. Before turning anything on, run a test. Use the sample submission Squarespace pulled in, or submit another quick entry on your live form. Watch the chosen Slack channel to confirm the message arrives, looks correct, and includes all mapped fields. If anything's missing or out of order, adjust the mapping and test again until it's perfect. When you're satisfied, turn on the automation. From this point forward, every new Squarespace form submission will flow directly into Slack, giving your team instant visibility and a faster path to follow up.